What's the meaning of crack? Crack. Crack.
Crack. Crack. The term crack can have multiple meanings depending on the context. In terms of drugs, crack refers to a highly addictive form of cocaine that is typically smoked and produces an intense high. In terms of technology, cracking is the process of breaking into a computer system or network without authorization. Regardless of the context, the result of cracking is typically negative and can lead to addiction, legal trouble, security breaches, and other serious issues. As such, it is generally advised to avoid engaging in any form of cracking behavior.